Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Infinix Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Let's tap on it. As you can see right here, we've got backup to Google Drive option, so let's tap. And here, let's tap on Add Account. Of course, if you've got one currently added, so for example, just by using the Google section or the Account section, then it will be displayed right here and you will be able to tap on it and pick it as your backup account. If you don't have one added, then simply tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So let me tap on next, and here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got the information about the backup of the contacts, so it's up to you if you want to turn on the backup. I don't want to turn it on right now. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup to the Google one. So as you can see, you can use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically. Of course, it will also store it securely, and you can manage your backup easily whenever you want to. So basically, all we have to do is to simply tap on Turn On, and we will be transferred to kind of backup storage section. So here you can check how much space you've got used. You can of course manage the storage, so you can remove some kind of files which are just taking the space and you don't need them. Here you've got the backup details, so you can check what already has been backed up. And here we've got advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. Thanks to this, your device will only use the Wi-Fi to back up the data, not the mobile data. And thanks to this, you can be sure that you will not be charged for the going over the limit. So in order to actually finish the backup right now, just tap on this button, Backup Now, and your device will back up the data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Infinix Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.